It's time for Game Boy on the PAPK 2 portable system from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to do some extended testing on the PAPK 2 and let's play some original Game Boy games. First game, Mario Bros. Oh, let's crank up the volume. Oh, that was unlucky. Of course, we need to play the sequel. Wait. Zoom a little bit in. And let's go. I played this game so much on my Game Boy when I was a child. This big adventure as Mario. Yeah, don't say that. Don't ask me why I'm saying it like that. I can rather say I am Mario. I play on all these weird platforms. And also I love these soundtracks remixed. Come on. Whee! Checkpoint. Time for some flower power. Flower power. Why did you do that move? Oh, that was a move. I must say I can't stop playing. I want to clear it. I want, sorry guys, I'm just going to finish that stage. If I can make it. Oh, freaking. Also play this one too much. And after playing this game I was a big Wario fan. First of all I was thinking, what is Wario? I don't like it, I want to see Mario, but playing some Wario games I was totally convinced this is my new favorite character. Yep, so I was one of those guys who was happy to see Wario coming more and more in these games. Bash your way through the stages, I love it. Wow. And again, soundtracks were epic. And the caps were real awesome. Oh yeah. Got the bashing hat. Helmet. Ooh. Dig Dug on the Game Boy, really awesome. Where are we going? Alright, let's play some King of Fighters. Single play, let's go. I am Terry, of course. Wow, we got a lot of characters in this game. So for the final conclusion about the Game Boy part on the PAPK 2 family, it seemed to be running just fine. I can enjoy these old games on this system. So yeah, let me know what you think of this. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell. See you next time in a new video. Bye bye.